Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll explain you how to initialize an array in Java. Now, in the previous tutorial we've seen how to create an array. So first I'll just create a simple integer array of size 5, and for doing that I'll have to write int a, which is the name of the array, equal to new int, and here I'll specify the size of the array. Okay, so I've just created a simple integer array of size 5. Now, one way of initializing an array is by assigning values to the individual indexes of that array. Now in the previous tutorial we've seen that an array indexing always starts at 0. So no matter what type of array it is, the indexing will always start at 0. And while adding elements to an array, the first element will go at index 0. Then the second element will go at index 1 and so on. Okay. Now for assigning values at individual indexes, I'll have to write something like this. A of 0 is equal to 10. Now what this means is I'm trying to load value 10 at index 0 of array A. So I'm assigning value 10 at index 0 of array A. So I'll do this similarly for the other indices as well. So A of 1 is equal to 20. A of 2 is equal to 77. A of 3 is equal to 9. And finally, A of 4 is equal to 5. Okay, so I've initialized this array by assigning values to its individual indexes. So this is one way of initializing an array. So we create an array object first and then we initialize it in this manner. So this is one way. Now there is another way of initializing an array which is quite simple as compared to this one. So I'll just remove this now. Yes. And the second way states that, okay, I'll have to just create an array like this, and then here comes the curly braces. And inside these curly braces, I directly specify the values. Okay, so let's say 20, 30, 10, 40, 9. So whatever we did in the previous method, all that is happening in this one statement. So we are declaring an array, we are creating an object of the array, and we are initializing that object with these values. And here we don't even have to specify the size of the array. So you can see that we have not mentioned the size. So what it will do is, depending on the number of elements which we add, it will create the size of the array. So here, since I've added 5 elements, the size of the array will be 5. Okay. So these are the methods in which you can initialize an array in Java. So that's it for now. See you in my next tutorial.